Hello guys, what's going on? Today we're going to talk about Chicken Gun, and I'm going to show you guys that how I got this mod which gave me unlimited coins, and I'm going to show you guys step by step in this tutorial that how you can do it also you can get these coins same as me. So practically this method I find it out works for the both devices, iOS and Android. I'm going to show you today the steps with my Xiaomi, which is an Android phone. I'm recording right now with my iPhone. If you want me to make a tutorial for the iOS users, just let me know in the comments below, guys. I'm going to make a tutorial also for the iOS users, but practically the same steps are working for the both devices, okay? But anyway, for different reasons you might have and you want me to make a tutorial for iOS users, just drop a comment on the comment section and I'm going to do a tutorial for the iOS users also, okay? So I'm not going to lose too much time. I'll go immediately to open the game and to show you about what I'm talking about. I'm just going to the guns, and as you can see right over here, guys, I'm generating so many coins, okay? And now I can show you that I can buy everything that I like. For example, I even can change the skins. If you want, I can be like this, cat, pig. This is nice, in fact. Anyway, I'm going to stay with the original. For example, we can go to buy a hat. You want to buy a hat, we can buy this one. You want to buy this one, we can buy this one. As you can see, guys, we can buy everything that we like. This one I bought before. Okay, for example, you want glasses, we can buy these ones, or we can buy also these ones. You can see we can buy everything that we want. We want to buy a plane, okay, here it is. So as you can see, everything works and runs perfectly for me, guys. And now I'm going immediately. I'll not lose too much time to play in the game, so you can play later on by yourself. I will go immediately to show you the steps you need to follow in order to get the mod and after play it like you prefer. Okay, so guys, before you start the loading process of this mod, which is going to give you the coins, you just need to make sure you're gonna have a good connection with Wi-Fi. Okay, so or better, you should be connected with both Wi-Fi and your data from the phone in order that the loading process of the mod doesn't interrupt, so you can make it correctly. Okay, so after you make sure about the Wi-Fi, you just need to do all you have to do. You just need to go to your internet browser. This is for the both devices. You just choose one of the internet browsers you prefer. Me, I'm using Google right now, and all you have to do, you just need to search about this website, which I'm going to type for you guys immediately and focus it. You have to go over here. All right, and I search in the Google. As you can see, this is the first in the searching part, and as you can see, we're inside of the app right now, and to me it shows these different categories, which will show also to you, and then practically we're looking for a mod. Or so all you have to do, you just need to go to the mod section and search about it, or you just go to the searching bar, it's easier, and just type chicken. You don't need to write all, just a keyword, it will show up, and here it is. So all you have to do, you just need to press the blue sign here on the side, and here you have the whole information, as you can see, about the game and the steps you have to follow. All you have to do is just to press the blue sign after, and in the end of this process, you're going to generate the coins. So practically it's going to download the mod and generate the coins on your game after. Okay, so depends on the region where you are, guys. To some of you it might require some extra step in the end of that process. You just need to follow what is requiring and you'll be able to get it also you. So this is my video tutorial for the day, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful, and before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching, guys. Cheers, and see you in the next video.